Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix Android Auto not working on your Audi. This tutorial will work for all of the Audi A and Q models, so if you guys have any of these models, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So, the first thing that you need to do, guys, is just go to your navigation screen right here. I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. So once you're here in the navigation screen, go ahead and look for Android Auto or telephone. Give it a click, and then once you're here, go ahead and click on the right switch or right click, and then here you're gonna find connection manager, Bluetooth settings, and so on. Click on connection manager, and then click on primary phone. Then here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find all of the devices that are saved on your car. Basically, guys, one of the reasons why Android Auto might not be working on your phone is maybe because there is too many devices that are saved. So try to remove one of the devices that you don't use anymore. Click on the right key, and then here you're gonna find the option to delete the device. Delete it, and then go back to the connection page. Click on connect mobile phone, and then it should be connected. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.